We're going to do a brief video on stocks, Carnival Cruise Stock Analysis, and we've got a daily chart on here for you with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a blue 200-day moving average. This Carnival is down today 18% on volume of 147 million shares. It's about 11:30, and the normal volume for the whole day is 52 million shares. It's trading at $7.49 right this second. So Carnival's taking a bath today. And let's take a look real quick and see what's going on with it. We can see the stock's been in a bear market since mid-February 2022 and been characterized by some sharp sell-offs, some sideways movement towards the 200-day moving average. And we're seeing that again consistently. We've had this movement towards the 200-day moving average since the middle of June, and now today we're having this big sell-off. We've got a gap here of roughly, not a huge amount of money, $1.50 in a gap, but the price, because it's a low price stock, $7.50, is down 18%. So what's going on with Carnival? Well, the reality of it is Carnival is in a deep bear market. It has gone sideways, but it didn't really close the gap on its 200-day moving average. As you'll notice, the stock comes down, closes the gap towards the 200, comes down, closes the gap towards the 200 moving day average. It didn't do that here. So this is really bad from a technical perspective looking at Carnival. Let's take a look at the weekly chart and see if we have some support for Carnival on a weekly basis here. Let me see what's going on. If we take a look at this stock on a weekly basis, we do not have any support, going all the way back to 2009. We have no support in this stock. Now, right here at this level, this April of 20, which would be right at the beginning of the pandemic, let's see what happened right here. It looks like we have $7.90, $7.80. So $7.80 was the pandemic low, and this stock hit $7 and a penny. So let me check and see what's going on here. Does not look like, for some reason, my chart's not updated, but we're definitely having tremendous sell-off today. Again, it's $7.47. It's currently trading. I'm not sure what's going on with the updating of these charts here, but oh, here we go. Let me go back to the daily and see what's going on. We have today a low of $7 and a penny. So we're right on that previous low that I just showed you all the way back here in April, and it doesn't look like good news for this stock. When it comes down and bounces off a point like that after this amount of time, it's almost always going to break through that point. That's not a coincidence. So my guess is Carnival is going to break through its previous lows of the spring of 2020. This is my opinion only, for entertainment purposes only. It's going to break through, make some new lows. And let me go back here to the weekly chart and see if we can come up with a better. First we'll try a monthly, because I'm not really feeling it on that weekly chart. We don't have any support down here at all until we get down to the $2 level on this stock on a monthly chart. So it's anybody's guess. I believe we're going to break through this spring of 2020 support, and it's significant support, but I think we're going to break through it if we haven't already. It's hard to discern what's going on with these charts, but I believe we're going to break through that, and I think we're going to continue down, probably down into the $2. I don't want to be too aggressive on this stock, but this is not a good looking stock at all from a technical perspective. When it gets to this low dollar amount, it's very difficult to give you exact, my opinion gets much less clear. So just trying to be honest with you. This stock looks at minimum like a $5 stock. Again, not being too aggressive, maybe $5.50, but that's what it looks like to me right now before we get some support in there. Just take a look at these sell-offs. We haven't seen anything like that yet. So if we see some of these sell-offs, this is a $25 to $16 sell-off. This was a $23 to a $15. Those are $8 sell-offs. Our sell-off essentially started here at 11. If you take $8 off of that, you got a $9 stock, right? So I'm sorry, you $8 off of that, you've got a $3 stock. I'm not prepared to say that right this second, but I'm definitely going to say $5.50. So I think you got some downside in this stock for entertainment purposes only, all in my opinion, at least a downside to $5.50 in Carnival corporation as best as I can tell. Let's see what RBAM Research says about it. RBAM Research puts out 190 stocks every morning by 7 a.m. These are out for today, 1, 5, and 20-day holds. Let's take a look real quick. Today, our highs and lows on this stock are $7 and a penny and $8.51 is the high. Let's see what RBAM says. $8.51 is a high. So we did not trade high enough to trigger our entry prices this morning. They were all above the daily range so far today for Carnival. You can see we had 876 all the way up to 908. The way these algorithms work, the price has to trade through our price for our price to trigger, and that has not happened. So we did put buys out, but above the market for Carnival today. So that's what we've got for you, a low probably of 550-ish as an estimate for Carnival in the near future, probably the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks max. Again, all for entertainment purposes only, and our entry prices today are above the current daily range. You can get access to everything we put out Monday through Friday by 7 a.m. by heading over to rbamresearch.com. Absolutely free, no credit card required. There's a link in the description below. You can see 190 plus stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures. We have shorts and longs for everything but the stocks. The stocks are longs only, and again, no credit card required, absolutely free. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. Please leave us a comment in the comments section if you have something great to say about our moving averages or our analysis. And please keep in mind that our analysis and all of our entry prices are for entertainment purposes only. You can't use them for anything else other than entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.